how to buy Bitcoin on Juno app. If you want to buy Bitcoin on Juno app, you can open your browser and go to Juno's website, which is juno.finance, or you can download the Juno app from your Play Store or App Store. Once you've done that, make sure to sign into your account by tapping the sign in button from the top right hand side, and then sign in using your email address as well as password, or you can also sign in using your Google account. Then when you've done that, basically you have to simply navigate to the crypto section within the Juno website or app and select buy crypto. Find Bitcoin or BTC from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Input the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase either in USD or BTC. Review the transaction details, including the price and any applicable fees, then confirm the purchase. The transaction will typically be processed quickly, with the Bitcoin appearing in your Juno wallet within a few seconds. This way you can buy Bitcoin on Juno app. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.